Righty-ho. Well, we're getting near the end of it now. Nice new tyres on. And a smaller front than the ginormous one that it had on it. Just a few things I've got to tidy up. Just putting the O-ring chain on it now. I'm waiting for a new bolt for the side stand coming in from Australia, because that's it there. That's quite worn. I was going to weld it up and turn it down, but they're only about $6 or something from Aussie. Yeah, also waiting on the rear guard, so I've got a new one of them coming in from Aussie. I don't think there's anything else I'm waiting for. But yeah, hopefully it'll be all finished soon enough. The new seat looks bloody good. I'm pretty happy with that. But yes, now I can hopefully turn my efforts on to the Series 50. So, got a bit done. I still want to paint this. And I might make up another bash plate that's a wee bit bigger. But we'll see. See how much time I get. But yeah, not far away now.